And, okay, so Mosasauruses were the biggest water dinosaurs that ever lived. And they had 2 sets of teeth on the top of their mouth. And they also could jump out of the water, and if they were still around today, they could eat helicopters.
Whoa.
And the best part is, this little sad Dilophosaurus, and then stop.
So what would we rate this Mosasaurus from Jurassic World?
10.
10. 10 out of 10. All right, guys.